Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and firmware, because firmware affects ANC behavior. Once done, pair the earbuds and enable ANC or noise modes. If there are mode toggles, test each. Position a steady noise source about 1 meter away and sit still. Slowly insert and adjust the tips for a secure seal. That physical seal changes low-frequency cancellation most. Make sure to disable any EQ presets that can mask ANC differences. This isolates noise-canceling performance so you can judge it accurately. Now you perform side-by-side comparisons to hear what ANC removes and what it leaves. Play a test track with rumbles and hiss, toggle ANC, and note which frequencies drop. Speak aloud or have someone speak nearby to evaluate voice attenuation versus engine rumble. Move your head and walk a few steps to trigger adaptive algorithms. This reveals if cancellation collapses with motion. If the earbuds offer multiple ANC strengths, test each strength and listen for artifacting, pressure sensations, or sudden volume shifts. Finish by making objective recordings of ANC on and off so you can replay differences calmly. Once done, inspect for artifacts, static, imbalance, or engine-like tones, and try simple fixes, reseat tips, reboot earbuds, reset pairing, and reinstall the companion app. If problems persist, update firmware and test on a second phone to isolate device versus earbud issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if you feel ear pressure or constant hissing, switch ANC strength down or use a different tip size to restore natural balance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.